Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial in the 12 days of Christmas challenge. Today I'm going to show you how I made my dashboard cover that I'm going to use this year. And it's all based around my word of the year. I don't know if you guys are doing or participating in the one little word, which is basically where you pick a word that's going to carry you and then you're going to focus on throughout the whole year. I forget who like originally started it. So I'm definitely not taking credit for it, but I do like the concept, and I'm going to apply that to everything that I do this year. So this is the image that I made, and my word of the year, as you can see, is abundance. So I'll show you how I did that. Let me add a new page. The first thing I did was that added this gold glitter background, which I just really like it a lot. I know I keep using that for a lot of things, but I like it. Right. So I clicked on that, and I'm just going to expand that until it fills up my whole box. There we go. Next, I'm going to upload one of these images that I have made, which is this afro woman with the red lips. I think it's just really powerful. I like the image. And next, I'm going to put in some text. So I'll go to text and then click on add heading. Once that comes up, I'll just delete the existing text and add in my word, abundance. And I'm going to change the font to the playlist, which you guys know I like. And change the size to 80. And just move that. And I need to change the color because it doesn't look like. Yeah, it was a gray color before. I just want to make sure that it's centered. Where are you? Let me click away. Click back on it. Pull it out. There, I like the way that looks. And to make the back cover, I am going to click on where it says copy this page. You see it has like these two sheets, one on top of each other. And that's going to let you copy the page. It's going to do exactly what it said, copy the page. And then I will remove the elements that I don't want repeated. And I'm going to add for my back cover a stripe. There we go. I'll change that color to black. Pull it out. A little bit bigger. There. And that's it. So that is how I made my dashboard front and back cover that I'm going to be using. This little gold and black theme. So I hope you like that. Let me know, and I will catch you in the next tutorial.